Hey guys, this is Chinmay Kubal. So today we are going to talk about how to automate the installation of Strapi and also how to automatically create the infrastructure. Okay, so this is my resource group in order to create the virtual machines. This is my virtual network. This is my private subnet. This is my public IP. This code will get the public IP, the data part. This is the network interface that I have created. It's all the same as before. It is just the random password generator that I have used over here. And this is my actual virtual machine. So these are the certain resources that I'm going to create. Here I'm going to use this size of the hardware because Strapi needs a little bit of extra hardware. So that's why. And this is the SSH configuration. These are the basics, basic steps. This is the OS6 read write for caching. This is I'm using Ubuntu server. Okay, now in order to create the automatic installation, we are supposed to pass the files. So that's why I have created the provisioner. And here by means of SSH, I'm going to get into my server and I'm putting my file, my tempo.sh file in this particular location. So after going to that location, I'm going to use another provisioner known as remote exec. So from that, I'm going to just simply change its permission and I'm going to run that script. And while running the script, I'm going to pass the public IP address. Public IP address. So this is the script that I have used. So first of all, I'm going to check whether I got the public IP address or not. And then I'm going to simply update the packages from the Ubuntu server. Then I'm going to use this particular software. That's why I'm going to install it. This is just to run as my script is interactive. So I need the 100% guarantee that interaction will be good. So that's why I have written this command. So this command will install the Node.js, install and configure the Node.js and npm package manager. And similarly, this will install the PostgreSQL. And these commands will install the Nginx server and it will allow the Nginx server from the firewall, the default firewall that is there in the Ubuntu server. Then I'm going to configure my Nginx server with my public IP. I'm going to do the reverse proxy setting so that whenever public IP will get hit, it will get redirected to this particular location. And I'm going to create this symbolic link so that whenever Nginx starts, it will first search for these configurations. Then I'm going to create the database in the server in the Postgres engine with this name. So after creating that, I'm going to create a user with the super user privileges with this block of code. Then I'm going to change the password for that particular user. And then I'm going to actually run the npx create Strapi app. So with this, we are going to create our Strapi project. So these are the questions that it will ask: installation type, preferred language, database client, and all. So I have given the appropriate output to this particular command. So after running that, it will create this folder in which our Strapi project will be there. So sometimes what happens from the package.json file, it sometimes do not download the packages. So that's why, just for safety, I have written there npm install. So it will install the dependencies from the package.json. Then I'm going to build my application with the production environment so that it will get some performance boost as production environment is optimized. And then I'm going to run this command. So while running this command, I want this command to run in the background. So that's why I have written no hangup command. And it will run in the background with this ampersand. And similarly, all the useless output and the errors, I'm going to pass it to the null so that it will clean up my terminal. It is needed so that it will run in the background very smoothly. So after doing that, after running this script, it will build everything. I have did that already over here. So this terminal will not show everything, just few part of it. But after running the script, I have built that admin panel successfully, and I have got this public IP address 2204.12.254. So If you go over here, this is 20/204/12/254. So here I have got the Strapi application and I did the login part 20/204/12/254/admin and I am in my home page. Yeah, that's it.